Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Zavilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I have started this channel recently, so please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. Okay, you can also check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of US dollar Japanese yen, USD JPY for 15th March 2021. So this video and this analysis is for 15th March, Monday only. I'll be coming back again tomorrow and you'll see me tomorrow again with the analysis for Tuesday again. Okay, so please do subscribe. So we can see that right now that market is in overall uptrend. The trend of the market is very beautiful, then there is no doubt. Okay, and the last traded price is 109.02, and as I always mention in my videos that it is not very complicated to trade on a trending market, and undoubtedly USD JPY is an uptrend, and so there is not much complications here. But in a trending market also we need to find the area of value. Okay, area of value is very important to execute a trade in a trending market, otherwise there are not much complications. Okay, so the area of value will be always near the support in a uptrend market. So we can see that as USD JPY is an uptrend, so we will get the area of value near this 50 moving average. Okay, let's change to 20 moving average once and see how the 20 is doing. To be very honest, I'm a fan of 50 moving average, so it's there by default. Okay, no, 50 is better. Okay, so the 50 moving average is acting as a support. Okay, so the area of value will be near the 50 moving average only. So support is 50 moving average. So what do you need to do on Monday? You just wait for the market to come down to the 50 moving average and take support, or come down near to the 50 moving average. Okay, you can see that as of now market is in, let me take out the pencil. Okay, market is in overbought zone, so eventually market will come down. Okay, market will come down, and then just observe where the price is. Okay, when market will come down to the oversold zone, okay, then just see where the price is. If you see that price is in, price is taking support at the 50 moving average, or it is near by the 50 moving average, and if stochastic RSI is about to go up again, okay, then just go ahead and buy. Okay, let me repeat it again. Right now market is in overbought zone. Okay, so let the market cool off a little, eventually it will come down a little bit. Okay, so when price will come down, when price will be in overbought zone, so oversold zone, that means when stochastic RSI will be in oversold zone in this range, just see where is the price. If you see that the price is in near the 50 moving average, or it is taking support at the 50 moving average, it is the golden spot to buy. Okay, if you get USD JPY near this range or in this range, then that is the best spot to go ahead and execute the buy order. Okay, so let the market cool off, then just see the position of the price. Okay, and if you see that price, okay, if it is taking support at the 50 moving average, and when stochastic RSI will be ready to go up again, just close your eyes and click on the buy button. Okay. And your stop loss will be below the 50 moving average. So this is your first strategy that you can follow for USD Japanese yen for on Monday. Okay, and the second strategy can be, sorry. So you can see that I've drawn a line here, 109.20. Okay, so we can see the line. Okay, so this is the resistance as of now. Though market is an uptrend, but this time market could not, okay, market could not cross the resistance. Okay, so if you are looking for a safer entry, then what you can do is you just wait for the market to cross this particular line. Okay. If you do not if you do not buy near the 50 moving average, and if you don't feel the feel that okay, now no it is not the right time or right price to buy, then you can wait for the market to cross this level 109.20. Okay, this is the resistance for the market as of now. So if you see that okay, market has successfully crossed this level, and you see that okay, market has crossed the line, okay, then wait for 1 hour, 2 hours at least, then just see and observe, try to understand the market psychology, just see how the price is doing. If you see that uh, market is trading comfortably above the level for at least 1 hour, if you feel that market is doing good enough, then it, then the resistance has become the support. In that case, okay, you can go for a buy order above this line. Okay, so these are the two strategies that you can follow for USD Japanese yen for Monday. And hopefully you've understood. And if you liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. You can also check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. Thank you so much and good luck. Do not forget to subscribe.